we are going to do, and this one is solving unknown powers by substitution. In the question, they can give us substitution, or they will say कि solve it by using appropriate substitution. So we have to work according to that. Now, first of all, I am solving some simple questions. For instance, they are giving us y equals to 2 to the power x. This is given to me. Y equals to 2 to the power x, and they are telling us to solve this one to get the result of 3 bracket 2 power x minus 1, 3 bracket 2 power x minus 1 equals to 2x plus 4. This thing will be given there when not all the bases can be converted into 1, or some bases are in plus or minus form. Then we are going to have substitution method. Okay, previously all the questions which we were doing, they were either in multiply form or they were either in division form. That's why we were able to comprehend them very easily. But in this question, you can see that there is plus 4 over there, which is acting as a separate term which cannot be multiplied or being divided with the rest of them. So that's why if you have got this thing, then you have to work with substitution method. Again, substitution can be given to you, or you can apply your own substitution. Okay, so first thing, 3, this power is written in negative form. 2x negative means it is coming from this one, right? After this, what I am going to do, this one 2x plus 4. I'm not changing anything, I'm just leaving it like that. Okay, now all the 2x can be written as y. This thing is given to us, so I am removing all 2x with y, and this will become 3y over 2 equals to y plus 4, right? After this, shifting this 2 over here, 3y equals to 2y plus 8. I have multiplied this both thing with 2. Simplifying it, 3y minus 2y equals to 8. Simplifying it, y equals to 8. Okay, but in the question, they are not asking for y, they are saying what is your x over there. So what I have to do, I know that y is equals to 2 whole power 2x, 2 power x, and 8 can be written as 2 cube. Now it is like previous question, same bases are there. Bases are same. So x will be equals to 3. This is how you are going to complete your